it would smell. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you one of my goals that I set aside for myself in 2021, which is learn how to plant. I picked up some little herb plants from Target, and we're gonna see exactly what comes in them, and we're gonna see how it goes. Now, I have a black thumb. I think that's what they call it. I cannot keep plants alive to save my life. One time I got a couple of succulents from IKEA, and I don't know what I did wrong, but they didn't last very long. So I figured I would try them to see how they work out. Either way, they're $3 and they come with like a cute tin. So if I end up not being able to keep these guys alive, I always have like a cute tin for storage. You can keep, you know, whatever in here. So I figured it would work. But this is going to be a new series on my channel that includes my goals for 2021. I figured I would film them for you guys so we can kind of go through 2021 together. And then one of my goals also for 2021 is to film a YouTube channel. I figured why not put everything together and go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just going to open all of these to see. They're probably the same. Be careful when you tear off this cardboard though, because the instructions are right in the top of the tin. So I'm gonna tear these off. Okay, so I tilted you guys down so you could kind of see what I was doing. Now, they say to pour 3/4 cup of water in with this little pellet soil thing that it comes with. And then you're gonna mix it around with a fork until, I don't know, it turns kind of into soil. And then you're gonna put the seeds in. Then you're gonna cover it with plastic wrap. I don't have any plastic wrap, but I found these plastic bags. So I'm just going to hopefully cover the plant with this plastic, and then we're gonna set it in the sun, and hopefully that will be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with doing that. I'm going to start with this one. This one is, I believe, thyme. I have my instructions here so I can follow the instructions. I'm just going to dump this pellet into my bowl, dump all the excess in, and dump 3/4 of water. Alright, and I do apologize for the lighting change. I actually had to turn on my overhead light so I could kind of see what I was doing. But I went ahead and made the soil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try to put it back into the tin. Hopefully not super messy. Oh geez. No, I'm already making a mess. Let me get a spoon. This might be easier with a spoon. So let me just try to put this in here. I'm kind of going to pack it a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting this dirt in here, and then I'll let you guys know when I put the seeds in. Okay, so we're going to work on planting the seeds. So I have the directions here in front of me. This thyme one specifically says to place the seeds a 1/2 inch deep. So I'm just going to like, I don't know. You think that's like a 1/2 inch? I don't even know if you guys can see, but I just like am making a little hole for it. We're gonna cover it. I don't know how many seeds are in here, but look at how tiny they are. Can you see that? I think there's still some more in there. Just gonna sprinkle these in. I was reading back through the instructions for the mint. It actually says to not cover up the soil so that the mint can, like, I don't know, grow in there. But I put some soil over the top of it, so I hope this one is okay. I don't really have high hopes for it, only because I didn't have a lot of seeds in the bag to begin with. So we'll see if this one actually starts growing, but I am excited for these guys. So we will see what happens. Okay, so my camera died, but I really quickly wanted to show you where I put the little plants. I just put them in front of the window here. They are in the plastic bags. This window gets obviously a lot of light. It is kind of chilly over here, so I might end up moving them, but this is where I put them for now. I do apologize for the lighting. Obviously, it's getting dark outside, but yeah, that's where they are. All right, guys, sorry about the camera change. My camera actually died, so I'm filming the outro on my phone, but that was super fun. I had a lot of fun doing that. I actually have some dirt underneath my fingernails, so it makes me feel like a real planter. Like, I'm a pro now. But in all honesty, I think that was super fun. I don't have high hopes for the mint one, only because there was only a couple seeds in there, and then I think you were supposed to lay them, like, on top of the soil, and I buried a couple of them, so we'll see how that turns out. But anyways, I think it would be a super fun activity to do with, like, your grandkids, kids, cousin, nieces, nephews, you know, siblings, just little kids in general. I think it'd be fun for them to, like, mix up the soil and then plant the seeds and kind of see how they grow. So I will be checking in with you guys. If you want to see updates, I will be posting them on my Instagram stories. I think it takes about 14 days for most of the seeds to, like, sprout, and then hopefully we'll see some action after that. But I have my fingers crossed. I'm gonna try not to kill these ones this time. But thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, I will leave the link to them down below if you want to pick them up. There's also a strawberry and lavender one that come in, like, bigger tins. I think that would be super fun. I might go and pick some of those up. If you want to see those in a separate video, definitely go ahead and let me know. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you want to see the rest of my goals for 2021, go ahead and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. Thank you. Bye-bye.